So in this video we're going to talk about Roblox, and as you can see from the daily chart, price just fell off the cliff roughly 20% to end the day after the company announced the earnings. Now this stock crash was roughly 20%. What was interesting was that Cathie Wood bought the dip. She actually purchased 1.5 million shares, I guess taking advantage of the stock selling at a discount. Now, this particular site called Stock Circle tracks Cathie Wood's bag in Roblox. Now, this doesn't reflect today's purchase, but kind of gives you an idea of her purchases going back to 2021. Her bag is currently worth less than $500,000. She owns about 12 million shares, which represents about 3.6% of her portfolio. Now her average price was $52. So today she just lowered her dollar cost average for the stock. Now before we continue with the analysis, I do want to look at the actual results in detail. So again, Roblox on Thursday beat estimates for the first quarter, but guided below revenue for the current quarter and full year, and that's what did it. That's what caused the stock to crash. Company has been investing heavily to build out its version of the metaverse, a 3D virtual space for people to socialize and play games. Roblox expects bookings in the second quarter of 885 million versus the consensus estimate of 929 million. And then for the full year, Roblox forecasts bookings of 4.05 billion, which missed the target of 4.18 billion. However, here's some good news. Roblox reported 77.7 million average daily active users, up 17% year over year. And users spent 16.7 billion hours engaged with the platform in Q1. That was also up 15%. The CEO said their team has been hard at work identifying opportunities to drive daily active users, hours, bookings, growth rates back to what they're used to, 20% year-over-year growth. All right, so going back to the charts and just kind of zooming out to the monthly chart, we had this huge resistance support band at about $50, and as you can see, all these wicks represent rejection wicks, meaning sellers are defending this $50 level. And the last time price was even close to this $50 level, we got as high as $47.50. Now you can see the down channel a bit better on the weekly chart. And ever since we had this double top, in regards to at least recent price action, the stock has been moving down in this channel, forming lower lows. That's an equal high, lower low, lower high, and now lower low, and in the process breaking the down channel. So where's price heading to next? You do have a level of interest at about $30, but there's no volume in these candles, so that opens the door for price to move lower. And what we've seen in the past, the buyer stepped in at the $20 level back in May of 2022, December of 2022, and then also in September of 2023. So I do anticipate more downside risk, maybe another $5, but expect the buyers to step in at the $25 level. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.